We're halfway through kneading the dough. Again, it's still a bit noisy, so I'll pause this until I finish kneading. Probably need about 5 minutes mixing before it comes to that elastic, stretchy stage. This is the bread mix after kneading for about 5 minutes with the mixing machine. Now you can do this by hand, but it would probably take you between 15 and 20 minutes to get to this position. That's fine, there's nothing wrong with doing it by hand. It is quite strenuous. A lot of people find it cathartic, like I did in years past, when I'm preparing any food, for example. It just gives you a sense of feeling of achievement by doing everything by hand. But what I've done today, I've mixed this by machine. Now there are several stages to making bread, whether it's sourdough, ciabatta, focaccia. The first thing is mixing the ingredients together. Then they need to be kneaded. After the stage of kneading, we should reach this consistency. It's quite elastic, feels doughy. It's not too wet. It's not wet at all, just damp, got a nice feeling to it. So the second stage in making bread, and with this sourdough, we need to prove it. Now by proving, it means keeping it in a warm room and letting it double in size. So if you look at this, I need this really to come up to possibly the top of the mixing bowl. Now you can do that by covering it. You will need to cover it with cling film, for example. I wouldn't use a tea towel because it'll tend to dry out slightly. With the cling film, you keep it moist. Then leave it in a warm room. Now with sourdough, it's going to take up to 4 hours to double in size. Now I'm going to try something different today, and I'll show you that in a second.